Ой, по нам въебать.
Hi guys, this is Seth. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. The Ukrainian bridgehead in Krynky has become a symbol of Ukrainian heroism and Russian incompetence. After 6 months of intense fighting, despite facing several Russian brigades, Ukrainian soldiers continue to hold the village with determination. Even after Shoigu's announcement of Krynky's liberation, the reality on the ground remains unchanged. We have another compelling video showcasing the epic battle unfolding there.
Ukrainian Marines surprise attack Russians walking around in Krynky, unaware of close Ukrainian presence. Only one Russian was able to make it out alive.
Ой, по нам въебать. Нахуй вы указываете направление, ёбаные вы два оленя. Добрых дня, нахуй. Ну чё вы такие тупые? Ну передайте 404, нахуй, или еще что-нибудь. Возьмите, блядь, кодовую таблицу, ёбаную.
Curious statistics of Magyar's birds operations in the southern direction. In the 2023 and 24 period so far, they've hit hundreds of targets, destroyed dozens of tanks and IFVs, white means completely destroyed, hit dozens of artillery pieces and much more. They even carried out 998 distance mining missions among 9,148 total sorties. The wife of Igor Girkin is complaining that her husband faces isolation and injustice in prison as he's not allowed to make calls, and any appeals he's making are lost in the process. This is a rather ironic development, but Girkin should have kept his presidential ambitions to himself. Friends, I no longer know how to stop this chaos. The Prison Service Administration continues to violate the rights of imprisoned Igor Strelkov for visits and calls to loved ones. I wrote earlier that for 7 months now, Igor has not been allowed any visits or even a telephone conversation with his mother. Allegedly, the appeals do not reach the court and are lost somewhere, then return to Igor. Given the person is in complete isolation, in solitary confinement, this is a mockery and a form of pressure on him. There is no other way to say it. After the publicity, it seemed that the case was set in motion. On February 14th, the administration of the pre-trial detention center accepted new appeals from Igor for visits and a call to his mother to submit them to the court as required by law. The appeal to the court was confirmed. The review period was 2 weeks. We started to wait with hope for the result, and now 2 weeks are up. But Igor's statements were never received by the court, which they informed us about yesterday. That is, the piece of paper was again lost somewhere by the employees of the Lefortovo pre-trial detention center. I don't know whether it's worth asking the question, intentionally or not. Psychological pressure is again being put on Igor Strelkov. Our rights are cynically violated, and it is not yet possible to break this vicious circle. Friends, we need your support and help in spreading information more than ever. From Monday, I will start writing complaints to all competent authorities. But I won't be surprised if they lose my appeals too. We will not stop seeking justice, and we will definitely achieve it. An UAV crashed into a civilian building in St Petersburg last night. Russian sources stated the UAV was on its way to strike a nearby oil depot, but missed by just a few hundred meters. No casualties among the civilian population. What is also curious is the launch location. Some sources said it came from the east, that is, the Russian mainland, but this will be almost impossible to confirm. Warthog Defense reported about the Russian intent to open a new front in Moldova. Lavrov threatens Moldovan regime over Transnistria. He compares Moldova with Ukraine and says that the situation is identical. Meanwhile, unpleasant situation for the Kremlin butcher as hundreds of people of all ages continue pouring into the funeral place of Alexei Navalny to pay their respects. Air defense is active.
ПВО работает. ПВО работает.
Тут полдома разнесло, пацаны. БПЛА упал. БПЛА, беспилотник. Охуеть, чувак.
Warthog Defense reported about the Russian intent to open a new front in Moldova. Lavrov threatens Moldovan regime over Transnistria. He compares Moldova with Ukraine and says that the situation is identical.
Прежде всего, режим, который в Кишиневе обосновался и который идет просто след в след по стопам киевского режима, отменяя все русское, дискриминируя русский язык во всех сферах и вместе с украинцами еще устраивая серьезное экономическое давление на Приднестровье.
Meanwhile, unpleasant situation for the Kremlin butcher as hundreds of people of all ages continue pouring into the funeral place of Alexei Navalny to pay their respects.
Guys, thanks for watching. Stay with Warthog Defense for the best update on Ukraine. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.